Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Canutalo AIP. Today we are going to see how to make a call with these three speakers, one Grandstream model GSC3510, one fanvil A212, and the other model A201. First of all, we must register the speakers to the IPPBX. Here is a link so you can see how to do the registration. Then we will create an intercom paging group which is found in call features. We go to the paging intercom option and click on the add button. We give it a name, which should be two ways, add an extension, it can be any extension you choose, and add the speakers. Everything else remains at the default settings. We move the extensions to the right side which will be 1001, 1002, and 1004, and that's all there is to it. When you dial extension 400 from any phone, these speakers should make the announcement without any problems. Apply the changes and, once applied, don't forget to enable this option on the GSC3510 speaker. Go to Call, Blacklist, Whitelist, Graylist. Go to Graylist, which is blocked, set it to auto answer, and click Save so that the announcement can be made successfully. Then we proceed to dial, go to System Status, Active Calls, and dial 400. And the paging automatically opens with the three speakers, the A201, the A212, and the GSC3510 speaker. Without further ado, I bid you farewell. That's all for today. If you liked the video, you know what to do. Leave me a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any videos. See you next time.